candied grapes. I've already got the candy mixture on the stove. I'm just doing a half of my normal size batch. Normally I do 4-1-1, 4 cups of sugar, 1 cup of corn syrup, and 1 cup of water. We half that, so 2 half, 2 cups of sugar, half a cup of water, half a cup of corn syrup. Okay. We are going to be doing these blue. I like using Wilton's colors. We have this one, royal blue, for today. The customer requested blue. She didn't request a flavor, so we're not going to add a flavor in. I'm also going to add just a little bit of edible shimmer as well, and I like to use sanding sugar to coat some of them to give it just some texture or whatnot. So we have that. I have a popsicle stick to add my color with. With my gloves on, I already of course have all the grapes clean, washed clean, dried, and toothpicked. Some of them have doubles. You know, it gives you a little more security on some of them. And I also have just a pack of Nerds clusters to add into the container. A couple things to keep in mind, because I didn't mention it, this is gel food coloring, so you want a gel, not a liquid, when you're doing this. The Sunny Side Up Bakery white gel food coloring. You're gonna add this because you want that color to attach to something, because if not, it's gonna be translucent. And we are gonna be filling up the 32-ounce deli cup container. I like using these with a new top in a cup, and we're good to go. This is a cup of cold water. I don't have a candy thermometer I don't have a candy thermometer at the moment, but if you take your mixture when it slows down boiling, you have to pay attention to it. And you take a little bit and you drop it in there. And it go ahead and it forms that hard crack. It's not soft. Like this is on the spatula here. Watch. Did you hear that? Did you see it? I can slide this up. This is the coating you're gonna have. You see that? Did you hear it? That's that hard crack. Okay, so I added my white, and I'm going to add my blue. Okay, about that much. All right. Some of them I have 1 toothpick, some have 2. Just gives it a little more stability to bigger ones. And all you're gonna do, lean your pot to the side, and I keep mine lean to the side with a couple of pot holders under it. Couldn't think. Okay, and out of that we got 41 grapes dipped. Okay, I know it's not gonna put 41 grapes in that container, but I do extra for the family as well when I do make them, or my neighbors, I give them just a few of them. And we're just gonna pick a select few of these, and we're gonna hit them with that edible shimmer from Sweet Shop. This is from Walmart. And the thing about using these, don't spray directly at it. You want to kind of tilt it and go at it, because if you do like this, it's just gonna say bup, and you know. Alright, now this is the little tip to get those other ones with that sand and sugar for them to attach. You can use the pot when you're cleaning it, or just a regular pot on the stove or whatever. But or you can just heat up a hot cup of water. You're gonna take we'll take this one right here. You're gonna just hold it over that steam for a second or a few seconds, just so it get a little tacky. Then it's gonna stick. Now we're gonna package these. I'll just take this one to show you. We're not gonna use this one because it had that splatter. I'll keep that one. But we'll just do a little twist. Pull. Candy. I like to put a candy layer on the bottom because that way if the customer keeps them longer than a day or so in the freezer, refrigerator, whatever, if they start to break down, it will go onto the candy and not have the grape sitting down in it. That's just me. Okay, so we add it.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days.